Are you gonna leave right after this? Okay, good, because you're about to see me rip Dre the biggest tube. Dirty bastards knew exactly what they were doing. They kicked her until they cracked her ribs and she stopped moving. Blood leaking through the cloth, she cried silently. And then they all proceeded to rape her violently. Billy was making no first, but each of them took a turn. Ripping her up, choking her, broken jaw, mumbled the guard, but they weren't concerned. When they were done and she was lying bloody.
It wasn't that bad over the summer. I got out with him a couple times.
Yo.
They told her that she was a witness, but when she gone through, and if he killed her, he was guaranteed a spot in the crew. He thought about it for a minute, she was practically dead. So he leaned over and put the gun right to her head.
Dude, you're not even close to finishing this.
I'll get it.
I don't know if it's gonna pull off it.
Dude, yeah, you might have packed that too fat.
There's no such thing as too fat of a tube.
No, if you clog it though.
Jerry, get over here.
Oh my.
Light it.
Oh my.
Once it's cherry, you don't need
That's
to
gonna
keep
take like
lighting
4 lights.
Yeah.
Oh, do you hear that crackling?
No,
Dude, this is one of the biggest tubes I've ever seen in my life.
Dre, say good
No.
night, dude.
It's still pulling with God.
You're practically out of room.
There you go.
Decent.
You take all of it?
No, dude, he's pissing.